Welcome to my channel Travel Guide Aviation in Mourning, Somber Moments at 2025 Paris Air Show. The 2025 Paris Air Show, held from June 16 to 22 at Le Bourget Airport, was a significant yet subdued event in the aerospace industry, overshadowed by a tragic Air India Boeing 787 crash that claimed over 270 lives. This 55th edition of the world's largest aerospace event, organized by SIAE, a subsidiary of the French Aerospace Industries Association, brought together over 2,500 exhibitors from 48 countries and attracted approximately 300,000 visitors. Despite the somber atmosphere, the show highlighted commercial resilience, defense priorities, and sustainability innovations. Subdued atmosphere due to tragedy. The Paris Air Show 2025 was markedly somber, largely due to the recent Air India Boeing 787 crash, described as the deadliest aviation accident in a decade. This tragedy prompted Boeing to scale back its presence, with CEO Kelly Ortberg and Commercial Airplanes President Stephanie Pope cancelling their appearances to focus on the ongoing investigation in India. The crash shifted attention to safety concerns, with Indian authorities inspecting fuel systems and electronic engine controls on other 787s, influencing the show's tone and Boeing's limited participation. Airbus dominates commercial orders. Airbus emerged as the clear leader in commercial aircraft orders, securing 248 firm orders and 156 options, valued at approximately $20.9 billion. Key deals included Riyadh Air's order for 25 A350-1000s, Aviation's commitments for A350Fs and A320neos, Lot Polish Airlines' first ever Airbus order for 40 A220s, with options for 44 more, and Japan's All Nippon Airways, ANA, ordering 27 A321neo family aircraft, including 3 A321XLRs for its low-cost carrier Peach Aviation. The A350, 1000 and A321neo were standout performers, reinforcing Airbus's dominance in widebody and narrow-body markets. Boeing's limited presence. Boeing's participation was notably restrained, with only 41 orders and 4 options announced, all of which were pre-existing agreements finalized earlier in 2025, such as ANA's order for 787s and 737 MAX aircraft. The company's focus on the Air India crash investigation and ongoing safety concerns overshadowed its commercial efforts, making it an afterthought at the show despite booking 350 new orders in May. This allowed Airbus and others to take center stage. Commercial resurgence amid challenges. Despite the subdued mood, the show saw over 600 commercial aircraft orders, signaling airline confidence in future demand. However, this was quieter compared to previous years, as large orders are increasingly announced outside major air shows. Supply chain disruptions and geopolitical tensions also tempered expectations, with Airbus targeting 820 deliveries for 2025 but facing ongoing challenges. The aging global fleet and steady production rates are expected to drive aftermarket growth for years. COMAC's growing presence. The Commercial Aircraft Corporation of China, CAC, made a notable impact, showcasing mock-ups of its C909, C919, and C929 aircraft, along with derivatives. The C909, 78 to 97 passengers, 2,225 to 3,700 kilometers range, and C919 are now capable of operating with up to 50% sustainable aviation fuel, SAF, aligning with global sustainability goals. COMAC secured new customers, including Love Airlines and Vietjet Air for the C909, and reported delivering 20 C919s and 165 C909s to date, signaling its ambition to compete beyond China. Defense takes center stage. Amid global tensions and rising European defense spending, the 2025 show emphasized defense technologies, influenced by the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Highlights included Airbus's A330 MRTT Plus aerial tanker entering production and the US Air Force showcasing the F-35A Lightning II. Loitering munitions and air defense systems gained prominence, reflecting shifting defense priorities. European leaders prioritized local defense industries, potentially limiting US contractors' opportunities. Sustainability innovations highlighted. Sustainability was a key focus, with advancements in green aviation showcased. COMAC's SAF-compatible aircraft. Airbus's hybrid electric propulsion studies with partners like DAR and Safran, and Eve Air Mobility's eVTOL program underscored the industry's push for decarbonization. Air France-KLM emphasized sustainable operations, aligning with broader environmental goals, though supply chain constraints remain a hurdle. Regional and business aviation gains. Embraer secured a significant order for 60 A175s from SkyWest, with 50 options, for Delta connection, worth $3.6 billion, reinforcing demand for regional jets. ATR reported 30 new commitments, including 19 ATR 72,600s for Taiwan's Uni Air. In business aviation, Bombardier's Global 7500 set a speed record, Montreal to Paris in 5 hours 30 minutes, and Textron debuted a multi-mission Beechcraft King Air demonstrator, highlighting versatility. Air France's recruitment and partnerships. Air France announced plans to hire over 2,000 new employees in 2025, focusing on aviation and sustainability roles. The airline showcased partnerships with universities and engineering schools to develop future talent, positioning itself as a leader in workforce development and innovation. This reflected the show's broader theme of addressing industry growth through education and recruitment. Spectacular flying displays. Despite the somber mood, the flying displays were a highlight, featuring commercial, military, and private aircraft. Notable performances included the Airbus Racer high-speed helicopter, Dassault Rafale, and Lockheed Martin's F-35 Lightning II. The Patrouille de France performed a flyover, captivating attendees. These displays, alongside innovations like drone races and VR experiences, underscored the show's role as a platform for technological spectacle. In conclusion, the 2025 Paris Air Show balanced commercial resilience with a sobering focus on safety and defense, shaped by the Air India tragedy and global uncertainties. Airbus's dominance, COMAC's rise, and sustainability efforts highlighted an industry at a crossroads, navigating innovation, supply chain challenges, and geopolitical shifts. The event's 2,400 exhibitors and billions in deals reaffirmed its status as a global aerospace hub, even in a challenging year. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.